you haven't put two and two together, we are in the Beat, 1991 Honda Beat, and it is hot. I am sweaty, and we're gonna go golfing because, you know, a 1991 Honda Beat is the most practical used car on the market today, without question. You know, for whatever reason they use the metric of can you fit golf clubs in it? Well, the answer is yes, you can. So we're going golfing in a Honda Beat. That's the fun of these cars. I just thrashed this thing all the way up to fourth gear and we hit 60 miles an hour. If I was in a Corvette or a Golf GTR, probably I'd have been at 100. 60. Like, I could thrash it all day long and not break the speed limit too terribly bad. I gotta find a place to turn around. I think we lost the camera. Our shenanigans has resulted in a casualty. Oh. Let's just check the back and see if it's gone. Oh yeah, she gone. If you're playing at home, kids, that's one camera down, one to go. On today's episode of Amateur Filmmaking, we lose a camera. Unfortunately for this camera, it's not the first time it's fallen off. When it fell off the AutoZam, we were doing about 10 miles an hour inside the neighborhood. We may or may not have been doing donuts when this time this fell off. This time this one fell off. Hopefully we'll find it. Hopefully I see it now. I think it's just in the parking lot. Look at this. You know when you're on the golf course and you have to pick up a golf ball? That's what we're going to do right now with this. All right, you ready? Tally-ho! Yep. Well, so you fell off pre-shenanigans. You didn't even catch any shenanigans in the camera. So let's try the shenanigans one more time. Shenanigans! That was fun. After our shenanigans, I feel disrespectful if I didn't give the Beat a bath. So, to the bathtub. Oh, that's got mud in it. So tiny. All right. Bath time. In case you're wondering, the answer to today's trivia question is yes. I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's go home. I'll just go home then. I was gonna rev up and do a burnout or a wet out. Right as I was about to let off the clutch, I saw a sign that said, "Video is under surveillance. Premises is under video surveillance." So I will not be doing a burnout. Today's been fun. I appreciate this date we've had. I gotta go be an adult now. Pick up my children from school. But I gotta get home first. That was the rev limiter, in case you were wondering. In case I die, I want footage. We're probably just barely going the speed limit, but I promise you, especially with the top down, it feels like we're gonna die. It feels like we're going 180. We're not even really going that fast, which is the bad part. 120 kilometers. It feels scary, especially when there's a tractor trailer behind you. Guys, we're here. We're safe. We didn't die on the interstate. Thank God. We're here with these two cats. We're missing one. The cappuccino is not here. You guys should come back next time, find out where the cappuccino is. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be extraordinary. It's gonna be racy. Yeah. Beat, AutoZam, we're missing the cappuccino. Come back and see the cappuccino. Thanks for clicking. Like and subscribe.